This is example 4 from 5-4, which this is the last example. So here we go. We're going to use sine sum identity and cosine sum identity. So we're using both together from 5-3 and 5-4. So, and we're trying to verify our identity. So remember, we're going to start with the most complex side, which obviously is the left-hand side. So sine of pi over 6 cosine theta plus cosine pi over 6 sine theta plus, now I'm going to put this part in big set of parentheses because I'm doing this piece right here. So I've got to use my cosine sum identity. So cosine pi over 3 cosine theta minus, remember the sum identity for cosine has a minus in the middle. Sine pi over 3 sine theta let's go ahead and simplify. So sine of pi over 6 is 1/2 cosine theta plus square root 3 over 2 sine theta plus cosine of pi over 3 is 1/2. I'm going to change colors again so I know what I'm dealing with. 1/2 cosine theta minus square root 3 over 2 sine theta. And because this happens to be a plus here and a plus here, I could just drop those parentheses. I was just keeping it separate so I would know kind of where I was. So I have 1/2 cosine theta, 1/2 cosine theta. So I can actually add those two things together because they're like terms, which means I end up with cosine theta, because a half and a half makes a whole, plus 3 square root 3 over 2 sine theta minus square root 3 over 2 sine theta. That means those two cancel out. And my answer is just cosine theta, which is exactly what I was looking for. So that is it.